What's up, guys? BabyBlue_RT. I got my daughter here with me. The next video is kind of sad. It's not for the faint of heart, and just watch at your own risk. Wait, that's not an RT. How's it going, YouTube? BabyBlue_RT here, aka Rico. From the first beginning of the video, you saw that the 5.7 is toast. It blew a wrist pin straight through the oil pan, and it's been terrible. The comment section will be open for anyone to comment. You guys can talk shit. You guys can ask whatever question you guys want to. I'm pretty much over it. It blew up, you know. You build, destroy, build again. Hopefully you don't destroy it again, but hey, that's all part of building a race car, building a car in general. I'm not personally building it. I've had shops build up my Challenger, but at the end of the day, it was my idea. It was something that I wanted to go with. So if there's anyone to blame, it's pretty much myself. But I mean, I've been contemplating whether or not, you know, to go ahead and stay with Betty Blue or go ahead and move on to something else. And I think I finally made up my mind. And let's just say, so far, kind of loving it. But then again, I miss my Whippled. RT here, and as you can see, I am not in Betty Blue. Will this be the new car for the channel? Hey, stay tuned in the video to find out more.
What we do here is go back.
About this car is when you start this thing up. Yes, sir. No, it's not a 2019. No, it's not a 2018. It's just a 2017. Everything is stock. But I don't know. You just can't beat that stock exhaust, you know. Especially on a RT Scat Pack. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's a 2017 RT Scat Pack with the 392. Basically, this car has about 49, almost 50,000 miles on it. It's got the red and black interior all the way around on the doors. It's got the beats. Pretty much, it's got the sunroof. It's got everything you would want in your Charger and more, pretty much. Now, as far as Betty Blue goes, I hope you guys didn't take me seriously and didn't think I got rid of my car for a Charger. Betty Blue will be back. If you made it this far in the video, hey, I appreciate that. Make sure you hit the like. Anyway, you guys, sorry for the troll. I don't know, I just figured this would be a good opportunity since I got a Scat Pack sitting in my yard. There's gonna be more coming soon. Betty Blue will be reincarnated, and let's just say she's gonna be a monster. That's pretty much all I can say for now. You guys just stay tuned, and I'll keep providing more content. It's been a while since I made a video.
We getting my boy Betty situated. I ain't gonna tell his business, but we ain't gonna tell Rico business. But he ain't alive right now. He wanted to see his baby.
What do you think that is? 392? We're gonna put a 3.6 in.
Yeah, we're gonna put that V6 in there.
I gotta find a way, yeah. I ain't got no time to stress no more. I gotta find